Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily create a Gantt chart timeline on Google Sheets. So first thing first, you need to open the spreadsheets page. So go to this page right here on your browser and then go to the Google Sheets template gallery. So on the template gallery, find this Gantt chart template. So you can scroll down and it will be shown in the project management category, this one, the Gantt chart. Click on the template and it will be opened like this. So it's only a template, so you need to make some changes or modify the Gantt chart timeline. For example, you can change the project title, the project manager, and here you can also change the dates shown in here to your own project's date. And after that, you can just modify the others data based on your own projects. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.